So today we have assignment called a Monday color table. All right, so it's been posted. It comes with a small tiny image. It's called it's actually, you're gonna copy this image. So let's open the image. So this is what you're gonna copy, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna have this on a side. Let me create a new file. So you guys go ahead and create a new file. I'm gonna click on add or create as we usually do, but this time we are going to use it's green colored icon. Okay, so you click on that. It's gonna create a file for you. Then you will double click and open that file. It is preparing. You see? Now this looks like actual table. You see columns named with letters, rows are named with numbers. So I'm also able to switch between tabs. So it's opened on a new tab, right? You want to go back to your previous tab and then open this image. So just keep this image like this because you can toggle between the tabs. Here you have your open new Excel Google Sheets document. On the other tab you have your image. Does it make sense? What we're gonna do next is, if you guys look at this table, you see A, B, C, D, E, F columns are used, right? And also rows 1 through 19 are used. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna highlight columns A through F and then rows 1 through 19. So you're gonna highlight it. And after that, you are going to add border lines. Normally, they don't have border lines, guys. It looks like they do, but when you print it, you're not gonna see any border lines, okay? So they don't have it. Now, how do we add a border line? If you guys look here, about in the menu, there's like a table-looking icon. Can you guys see it here? So that's what border line is. We're gonna click on the very first. It's called all borders. And then you see it's added lines for you. Are you following? So next thing is, we're constantly gonna switch between the image and the assignment. Okay, so go to your image and then look. Columns A and B, rows 1 through 4, there are merged. How do you merge it? So you're gonna highlight columns A through C. Was it B? Yes, A through B, 1 through 4. A through B, 1 through 4. You see I highlighted them. Are they highlighted? And then you are going to use something called merge. Merge looks, it is right here. Okay? Let's switch back to the image. So second cell is C, D, E through 1, 4. So C through E, 1, 4. C through E and then 1 through 4. Again, you are going to merge it. The last one is F and then 1 through 4. F, 1 through 4. You're going to merge it too. Okay? Next one. Only column A and then 5 through 10. Column A, 5 through 10. You are going to merge it too. Columns B and C, I'm looking at number 5. I put it step by step. Okay, you see number 5, columns B to C, and then rows 5 through 10. B through C and rows 5 through 10, you are going to merge it too. There we go. Now next one, number 6. What color is it? It's turquoise, right? Kind of blue. So columns D through F, rows 5 through 10. So D through F and 5 through 10. You are going to highlight them and merge it. So you see it getting look like this, but we have to color it. We're not there yet. All right. Now what's the next cell? It is 7. Right, so I'm done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's 7 and 8. Well, 7 and 8, 7 it is A through E. You see, look at the boundaries of the 7. It's A through E, and then rows 1 through 19. So it's gonna be A through E, and then rows 1 through 11 through 19. Merge it. And then the last one is the remaining cells. Okay, F11 through 19, and merge it. Now we have the table. Now next step is we are going to color it. Do you guys remember how to color the cells? If not, I'm showing you. So this is the first cell, right? You want to use this. It's called fill color. But first you have to click on the cell. So click on the cell, go here, and then pick the color. What color is the first cell? Red. Second one is, click on the cell, green. Third one is purple and blue. This is purple. This one is blue. And then we have, is it orange? Yeah, orange, and what color is it? Turquoise. So this one is orange. And then this one is turquoise. What is this one? It's yellow and brown. So this one is yellow. And then the last color is brown, which is here. Okay? Now, kinda we're done with it, right? Next, we're gonna put the numbers. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't see them because they're tiny. Now we have to make them bigger. How do we make them bigger? You have to highlight all the cells, and then you change this number here. You see it's 10? So you have to change this number 10. You either keep clicking on the plus sign until you get it big enough, or you can just set the number. So let's keep on a plus sign. You see my numbers are getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. Are they big enough? Okay, there we go. Now next thing is, you see numbers are in the middle of the cells. They are right in the middle. How to make it, put it in the middle? So now the next thing we need to do is we need to color the letters to white. So highlight all the cells, and then you want to use this letter A. Letter A is underlined line. It's called text color. You want to pick color white. You see? Now I need to move them to the middle of the cells. How do I do that? I again highlight the cells, and then you want to use this one, horizontal line. For horizontal line, you're gonna pick which one? Center. For vertical line, you're gonna pick which one? Middle. If you do so, it's gonna be right in the middle. Right? Now last touch, if you look, the table has kind of thick and then black boundary lines, outlines, right? So how are we gonna set this up? To set up like that, we have again, need to highlight the whole cell, and now we're gonna go back to where we added the lines. You guys remember where we added the lines? It's here. So you wanna go here, and then you're gonna set the lines, wait a minute. So you wanna set the line thickness to be this, and then you click on all borders again, and then you see it becomes like that. You understand? Yeah. When you're done, you are going to go back to your assignment because it's already attached, and then you're gonna click on turn it. All right, that's all for today.